Hello friends. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Carol Baskin here. Not really, but I'm obviously literally channeling her today. I actually got this amazing shirt from my friend Rebecca in the mail yesterday. She said, I totally thought of you, and it's probably because I wear leopard, but it has a cute little cactus on it. It's so cute. So I wanted to show you guys because I am awful at drinking water, like awful. So I wanted to show you some tips and tricks for getting your water in, because in Arizona it's already, I think, record-breaking temperatures this weekend, or the rest of the week. It's like 100 and something. I don't even know. 105 I heard, I think Thursday and Friday. So water is super important for so many reasons. Your skin, your digestion, all the things. So I wanted to show you a couple tricks. I have an electrolyte drink. I think I might have shown it before, but I made some ice cubes with it so that I could just pop these. I'm gonna pop these out into a Ziploc bag, and I can just take these, pop them in some water, and it's not like super strong, but it will flavor my water just enough so that I want to drink it. You guys have seen me make my lemon ice cubes. I did that like a couple weeks ago. I use them for my green drink that I'm going to show you, but I also use them for water. It like slow releases fresh lemon in my water. Thanks, Christine. I totally said at the very beginning of this live, hey all you cool cats and kittens, Carol Baskin here. Brandon was like, sweet leopard blue light glasses and earrings and a shirt. Wow. He's like, I'm surprised you're not wearing shorts. I'm like, well, I have leopard shoes. The other thing is, if you guys work out, this is my other favorite. They're really full, but these are something called Repair. So these are turmeric, collagen, black pepper, mango. I made these into ice cubes as well, so that while I am working out, I can have water with these bad boys in them so that I am not sore, or not as sore. If you caught my live a couple of days ago, I'm doing something called 75 hard, and it is 2 45-minute workouts a day. One can be walking. They both could be walking. One has to be outdoors. It's way more than my body's used to. So I've been drinking those Repair ice cubes a lot. And it helps me get my water in, because I have to drink a gallon a day. It's also part of this challenge. So a gallon is 128 ounces. It's 8 bottles of water, which is a lot. It's more than I normally drink, you guys. I could probably get by with like a bottle of water a day. Like, I just don't have that like thirst quench. I don't know. I just don't like crave water. Some people, like, I feel like have that like thirst quench. So are you guys water drinkers or no? Tell me in the comments. I wanted to show you my green drink because most of us are quarantined. Our place is open, but you can't just like go into your local juice place and get something. It's like a little bit harder. You have to like order it, or you have to go there. You have to like curbside pick up it. So I wanted to show you my green drink. I am not a juicer. You save your juicing, save your buying all of the organic veggies. That's not me. You guys know I don't like to meal prep, and I don't want to like buy vegetables and then take out this big machine, put the vegetables in, then I have to clean all the pulp out, and then I end up with like 16 ounces of juice for like a whole bag of carrots. Not into it. So this is my alternative. Yes, it's great, and I am so happy if you love that. That's just not for me. So I wanted to show you an alternative that's easy and also really inexpensive. So a lot of times, if you're like a green juice person, or even just a juice person in general, if you go to Sprouts, which is like a Whole Foods here, they're a couple of dollars, $3, $4 maybe. If you go to like a Nectar or juice bar, sometimes you can get a 16-ounce juice for $8 to $10 or more. Juice cleanses are upwards of like $150 for just 3 days of juices. Crazy. It's that much because it's a lot of work to juice, buy the organic veggies and juice. So this is my alternative. We're supposed to be getting like 5 servings of veggies a day as adults. I do not get 5 servings of veggies a day. And if I do, maybe it's French fries, maybe it's potatoes. It's not always organic. I don't buy organic. I know I should for some of the things. But this is my way to get in great nutrition in my body. And no, I still eat pizza and wings and things like that, but it's all about balance. So this is my balance, this green drink. So I use some organic greens. They are you guys, this is gonna blow your mind. They're really green. Like when you open them up, someone said it kind of smells like fresh cut grass. And it kind of does. But look how green those are. There's spirulina, there's chlorella, there is so many organic veggies. In this one scoop, it's 2 full servings of organic vegetables. Do you guys know how much it costs to buy like an organic bundle of kale? More than this scoop of veggies per serving. But there is organic purple carrot, there's organic purple corn, kale, pea, sweet potato, let's see, apple, broccoli, quinoa, coconut water, purple corn, purple carrot, turmeric. So many things in this one thing. So I have about 12 ounces of water and one of my fabulous lemon ice cubes, and I'm just gonna put that guy in there. It really does smell like grass. Like when I first opened these, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But they're veggies, they're organic veggies. It's what you want in your body. And here's the thing too, you guys. In a lot of cases, if you are eating all organic, there's still trace minerals and vitamins that your body's lacking. And I'm gonna show you how to get those. So the next thing I'm gonna add is something that is called Ionic Supreme. This is my freaking lifesaver. If you follow me on Instagram, you see me talk about this stuff all the time. I take this like 3 to 4 times a day. I am not, let me reframe that. I was not a morning person. This little guy helps me to be a morning person. If you are a mom, this will help you stop yelling at your kids. Like it just will. It's for mood and stress support. So this helps your body, has adaptogens. So it helps you adapt to the scenario and the situation that you're going through, but it really helps manage physical and mental stress. So I love this when I work out because, hello, like you have some mental and physical stress. When you walk into a room, you like remember what you were in the room for. If you've ever had like mom fog or mom brain, I'm not a mom, I hear it happens. I mean, I get it, and I'm not a mom, I'm just a dog mom. Hey, Ashley. But I love it. This has so many amazing herbs and botanicals for various different things. Like licorice root has rhodiola, ashwagandha, amazing, amazing things. And I'll tell you ladies, it's great for your libido. Tell your husbands. Well, I don't know if you want to tell your husbands. You could. I gave this to my husband. But I'm going to put a scoop of that in there. It tastes kind of like an apple, pectin apple cidery flavor. So I have greens mixed with like an apple cidery flavor. And then I am going to take 1 heaping scoop of this magic. And this is called Cleanse for Life. This is peach mango flavored. So we have greens, an appley flavor, and then peach mango. And I'm going to put that in there. This Cleanse for Life also has adaptogens, but it has over 200 amazing vitamins, minerals, herbs, and botanicals. It's amazing. It has turmeric, it has B12, ionic alfalfa, it has aloe vera gel, blueberry, raspberry, it has ashwagandha as well. It has burdock root, fennel, rhodiola, yellow dock, like all of these really awesome things. And no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. So here's the awesome part. I have a lot of friends whose kids actually really love these greens, but they don't actually like love eating a salad. So it's like a sneaky way to get it in your kids' food. Plus, if you lack in fiber and you have a problem using the restroom every single day, which doing and using these nutritional products for the last 2 years, I have come to learn that it is not normal for a lot of people to go to the bathroom every day, and you should be. So these greens have 4 grams of fiber also, and only, or sorry, 3 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of sugar in the organic greens. If you guys, next time, do me a favor, do some homework, go to the grocery store and look up, like look at one of their green juices. I don't know if it's like Simply, hey Carrie, hey Tammy, I don't know if it's like Simply Made or who offers a green drink there. Adwala is maybe what it is, or something like that. But look how much sugar is in there. So you're like, yeah, I'm rocking out a green drink. I'm feeling so good, getting all the nutrition my body needs. No thanks, I don't want to talk to you about your nutritional stuff. And then you're like, whoa, I just drank like all of the sugar that I should be eating in one day. I drank in 1 drink. So I just shake it up. And remember, I put my little fancy lemon ice cube in there. Seriously, Ashley, like, it's so many people don't talk about it because it's like weird, but it's not normal. So if that's you, you better message me. And then I just pour it over my ice water, or my ice water. And we are like, we need an ice machine, you guys. I'm trying to talk Brandon into buying one. Because he drinks iced coffee every morning. I usually like hot coffee. And then by the end of the day, after like a couple smoothie bowls or smoothies and green drink, we're like out of ice. So this is my fancy green drink. If you guys are in Arizona, look up, or if you're not in Arizona, I'm gonna do a plug. Look up Mama's Cold Brew. It's M-A-M-A-S, like Mama's. And they have so many. They have my favorite cup. So like part of getting water in for me is like a good cup and a straw. So I do love metal straws, but I also love the like reusable plastic ones. But they just simply use a mason jar with this cute lid, has like just a mason jar lid, has a hole punched in it. But look, they have all of these fun sleeves. So like cactus, they have watermelon, they have like unicorn donut, and they have like this little leaves. And I think that they ship their cups. So when you buy, I think their cup, you buy like the cup, the little sleeve, and the straw. But honestly, these are my favorite because you can put the sleeve on and then it doesn't sweat, but it's glass. So here is something also, if you have a hard time getting water in, you can use a really good quality essential oil, but you want to make sure that you're using glass, and you want to make sure that you're using either a glass straw or metal straw, because if you do 1 drop of lemon oil with a plastic straw, it will eat away the plastic, like the coloring of your straw. So yes, Mama's Cold Brew is amazing, but this is my favorite cup. So I drink my green drink in every single day. And I want to say that this green drink, I don't even know how much it is. I think it's under, with the ionics, the greens, and the 1 scoop of peach mango cleanse for life. I want to say it's under $2.50. It might be under $3. But still, like a way huge savings for the amount of nutrition that you're getting in it, for the amount of... We're having dog fights over here. Did you guys know we got a new dog? It's been 1 week and 1 day. It's real life. Ellie's still like, don't sniff me, don't come near me, but we can coexist sometimes, usually. But green drink, I think it's under $3 a serving. So way cheaper than like the Odwalas or the grocery store brands, and way cheaper than going to like a juice bar, and you can do it from home, whether you're quarantined or it's like normal life. So if you have questions on the green drink, on these fun ice cubes, you can use these same products to make popsicles or like a Otter Pop Freezy Stick style for your kids. Super good and super inexpensive. So chat with you guys soon.